Oh, mEEp.
Meep Rick.
Ah, there you are, mEEp.
Meep Rick.
Now, did Marvin tell you about being the kisser for my kissing booth?
Oh, yeah. Meep Kiss. Meep Kiss.
Look, here's the kissing booth.
Oh.
That's right. It's almost time for my annual Valentine's Kissing Booth fundraiser for the pumpkin patch. Yeah.
Oh.
And you're going to be the kisser.
Ah.
And YouTubers, what they're going to do is pay $5 for a kiss and a shout out of your donation name.
Oh.
And you may use the QR code at the end of this short to donate, and you don't even need to sign in to buymeacoffee.com. Yeah.
Meep Coffee.
And all donation names must be appropriate for general audiences, and celebrity or political names will not be used.
Meep no. Meep no.
Now, mEEp,
Meep Rick.
do you know how to kiss?
Oh, Meep Kiss. Ah.
mEEp.
Meep Kiss.
mEEp, here on Earth, we do sweet smooches
Oh.
like this. Mwah.
Meep Peck.
Mhm.
Meep Peck.
Now you go practice your kissing, okay?
Meep Peck. Mwah, 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 mwah.
All right. See you later, mEEp. And remember, all $5 kiss donations must be submitted by Friday, February 13th to be included on the February 14th Valentine's Day video. Yeah! Thank you very much for your donation, as it helps this Puppet Wise Productions YouTube channel and the pumpkin patch to grow. Thank you. Bye-bye.